In today's tutorial, you will learn the importance of using evidence in your writing to connect the message you are giving to your audience. We'll learn how to signpost this evidence to your readers by using illustrating sentence connectors. When you're presenting information, expressing an opinion, or giving your point of view, it's important to show proof to back up what you're saying. The proof is known as evidence. There are lots of different types of evidence. Facts that back up what you have said, quotes and opinions of experts with experience in that particular field, a personal experience that you have had, data and statistics. Evidence gives you credibility. It makes what you are saying believable. It makes you more persuasive. It helps you to explain what you mean and get your point across, improving your readers' understanding. Evidence also keeps your audience engaged by giving them more depth and detail. In a nutshell, evidence connects you with your audience. When providing evidence, it's a good idea to signpost this by beginning the sentence with an illustrating sentence connector. These are words and phrases that tell the reader that you're about to provide some evidence. In formal writing, you might use, for example, this is exemplified by, to illustrate this, evidence of this is, this can be shown by, in support of this was revealed by. In less formal writing, you might use, such as, for instance, just like, take. Let's have a look at some of these sentence connectors in action. The 1804 Lewis and Clark expedition, commissioned by President Thomas Jefferson to explore the uncharted western territories of the United States, has to be one of the most amazing feats of human exploration. To illustrate this, imagine traveling thousands of miles over treacherous terrain for over 2 years, encountering grizzly bears, harsh weather, and shortages of food and supplies, while carefully documenting everything that they encountered. Even though humans exploring Mars will be difficult and risky, it feels inevitable. We have a need to see things for ourselves. This is exemplified by the words of Buzz Aldrin, the second man to walk on the moon. Exploration is wired into our brains. If we can see the horizon, we want to know what's beyond. The Galapagos Islands, located off the coast of Ecuador, are famous for their unique wildlife. For instance, when I visited, I saw the island's giant tortoises, which can weigh more than 200 kilograms and live for over 100 years. The mosquito is the most dangerous animal in Africa due to its role in transmitting deadly diseases such as malaria and dengue fever. Evidence of this can be found in the World Malaria Report of 2023, which showed that in 2022, Africa had 233 million cases of malaria, resulting in 580,000 deaths. So, in a nutshell, add more credibility, persuasion, understanding, and engagement to the points you make by backing them up with evidence. And, as you deliver this evidence, use illustrating sentence connectors to signpost to your reader that proof for what you are saying is coming up. Thanks for watching this tutorial. To learn more about the use of sentence connectors, have a watch of this tutorial. In it, I cover 7 different types of connectors. It's guaranteed to help improve the flow of your writing.